Are we running? Hi Matthew, this is Ira. I'm waving to Atlanta. But anyways, here is the feeder tube to your climate control system. It just goes into a couple little clips right underneath here. That's where that sits. I'm going to get the bottle here. When you get this, you'll fill it up, your water up to here, and put one cap full of your treatment in it. What this does is keeps the water from getting bacteria, etc. when it's sitting in there. So what you want to do is make sure that when you put this water in here that it's a purified water of sorts. I don't know how your water in Atlanta is, is it alkaline or acidic. Take it out of your Brita and put it in here. This is, when your lights come on the front of the piano that says feed me, you fill it to here and put your cap in. It's perfect. And here's how it fits. The tube fits directly over the nozzle of your filler. Put it on tightly. You can raise, you want to raise this up above. Let me put the lid up here. Okay, go ahead and let it down. You want this above the rim of the piano because it's a siphon system. It's not, the water is not going to fall out of the container here. And what you want to do once the water's out, there's always a little bit left in the tube. Lower it down like this because it's going to drain just a few drops back into the bucket. Okay, so that's how that works in that sense. Secondly, I've got to, James can see what we're doing here. The humidifier bucket is right here, and it's attached to these two rods. We have to disconnect the three hoses. There's be three pieces on this side. I haven't got the light bracket hooked up here yet, but the back will come out. The front will come out. I'm going to have to take off these two fittings here that secure the wires to the wall. But these are self-evident. They're color-coded. They can only go into the control unit here because of the different fittings. So they don't have to worry about where they're going. Also, the manual is going along with it, so it shouldn't be a big deal. This is your feeder hose right here that we showed up there. I've got to take out these three screws so that this unit comes down. This cannot be transported on its side. So that's what you're going to be doing. Your local tuner could probably reattach this for you, Matthew, if you're not technically inept at this. And it's not really too difficult, but you can, I'm sure, go through the manual or call me. But here's how this reattaches. It just snaps in. There's a little cap on the top of this. The front snaps in. Realistically, have it centered between these two beams here for spacing. And then reattach the I put my glasses on, I can see better. But anyway, this needs to be put back in there. It's a phone type jack. There we go. So it's pretty simple. The screw holes will be evident there. There's two, and then the third one right here, so that this can be taken down. And then there's just two screws here, one for the smart bar, and then one for the filler tube sensor. So pretty simple. We can walk you through when you get it, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. We'll shoot this off on a YouTube for you. Good luck.